Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Learn Mathematics. Today we will complete exercise 9.1 of applications of trigonometry. So let's do our first question. These are the most important questions of this exercise. So question is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. So we have to determine the height of the tower. So first of all, let's draw its figure. So let AB be the height of the building, this 7 meter, and EC be the height of the tower. We have to find this EC. A is the point from where the elevation of tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. So we know that here EC is equal to DE plus CD. Also CD is equal to AB equal to 7 meter. So this CD and AB are equal, and BC is equal to AD. So in right angle triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to tan 45 degree. So put the values here. Tan 45 is 1 is equal to AB is 7 by BC. So we will get BC is equal to 7 meters. Since BC is equal to AD, so it means AD is also 7. Again from the right angle triangle ADA, tan 60 degree is equal to DE by AD. So root 3 is equal to DE by 7, which implies that DE is equal to 7 root 3 meters. Now EC is equal to DE plus CD. So we will add this 7 root 3 plus 7, which is equal to 7 root 3 plus 1. So this is the height of the tower, that is 7 root 3 plus 1 meters. So let's move to question number 2. So our question number second is, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree if one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. Find the distance between the two ships. So let's start doing it. So this AB is the lighthouse of height 75 meters. Let C and D be the positions of the ships. At 30 degree and 45 degree are the angles of depression from the lighthouse. So we have to find CD, which is equal to distance between these two ships. So from step 1 we will do from right angle triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to tan 45 degree. So put the values here. Tan 75 by BC is equal to 1. So BC is 75. So step 2, from right angle triangle ABD. So AB by BD is equal to tan 30 degree. So value of tan 30 is 1 by under root 3 is equal to 75 by BD. So it means BD is equal to 75 root 3. So our step 3 is we have to find the measure of this CD. Use results obtained in these two steps. So CD is equal to BD minus BC. So we have to subtract this 75 from this 75 root 3. So 75 into under root 3 minus 1 is the distance between the two ships. So let's move to the next question. So third question is, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. So prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters. So let's draw its figure. This AB be the tower, C and D be the 2 points with distance 4 meter and 9 meter from the base respectively. Let us suppose this angle is x. So this angle is 90 minus x because it is given that the angles are complementary to each other, so that their sum is 90. As per question, and right angle triangle ABC, AB by BC equal to tan x. So AB is equal to 4 tan x. So again from right angle triangle ABD, tan 90 minus x is equal to AB by BD. So tan 90 minus x, we know this is cot x. So cot x is equal to AB by 9. So it means AB is equal to 9 of cot x. So we have to now multiply these equations 1 and 2. So we will get AB square. This AB into AB is AB square is equal to 9 cot x into 4 tan x. So tan x and cot x are reciprocal of each other, and we will get only 36. AB square is equal to 36. Therefore AB is equal to plus minus 6. Since the height cannot be negative, so we will take the height of the tower is 6 meters. If you like my video, please press bell icon button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.